Should you invest in Mastercard? Let's analyze it on GrowthShares. I look at 3 factors: the business, the stock, and the price. Within each factor, a total of 14 metrics from business growth, performance, to intrinsic value. Because each company belongs to a specific sector of the economy, my analysis normalizes the data so that we can compare companies of different sectors. The factors and metrics are given a grade from 1 to 100, with 51 to 60 being considered average. When our 3 factors are added up, we get our final grade. Most companies I'll analyze are considered average long-term investments. Before we continue, if you aren't familiar with the factors and metrics I use in this channel, I've made a separate video detailing everything. I encourage you to pause this video anytime so you can better understand the numbers. First, let's look at the company's business. The question we want answered is, do we think this is a good business to own? The business is made up of these 8 metrics, from growth, efficiency, to market dominance. Each are weighted based on importance to the business factor. And here are their grades. Added together, we get the business grade for the company. Second, let's look at the company's stock. The question we want answered is, will the stock grow sufficiently to justify an investment? The stock is made up of these 5 metrics, from performance, dividends, to Wall Street analysis. Each are weighted based on importance to the stock factor. And here are their grades. Added together, we get the stock grade for the company. Third, let's look at the company's price. The question we want answered is, what is the most we'll pay for the company's stock? The price is made up of only one metric, the intrinsic value, or fair value price of the company's stock. Using a discounted cash flow model, here's our intrinsic value and price grade. Before we get our final grade, consider joining my GrowthShares Patreon and get access to my spreadsheet with every grade from every company I've analyzed. It's updated all the time. Head to patreon.com/GrowthShares or click on the link in the description. Putting the business, the stock, and the price together, we can now get our company's final grade. And here it is, along with what kind of long-term investment I think it is. This analysis uses public financial data and a proprietary algorithm to come up with the company's grades. Remember, I've made a separate video explaining in detail about the factors and metrics. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Comment below. Want to talk business? Email me and follow the instructions on the screen. Invest wisely, and as always, take care of your money.